Today, I'll show you how to add transitions in DaVinci Resolve. If you're looking to give your videos that extra professional touch, mastering transitions is a key skill. Transitions can help your scenes flow seamlessly, whether you're working on a short film, a YouTube video, or any other project. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to make sure you're on the edit page. This is the heart of DaVinci Resolve, where most of your editing magic happens. If you're not already there, just look towards the bottom of your interface and click on the Edit tab. This area is designed to give you all the tools you need to cut, splice, and polish your video clips together. Once you're on the Edit page, the next step is to open the Effects library. You can find this in the top left corner of your screen. Clicking it will reveal a range of options, but for today, we're going to focus on video transitions. This section contains a variety of transitions that you can use to stitch your clips together smoothly. From simple fades to more complex wipes and zooms, the effects library is where you'll find plenty of options to enhance your video's visual flow. Now, the fun part begins. Browse through the video transitions until you find one that suits your project's style. Some popular choices include cross dissolve for a gentle fade, wipe for a classic side-to-side reveal, or zoom for a dynamic effect. Once you've decided on a transition, simply click on it, hold, and drag it down onto the cut between two clips on your timeline. You'll see the transition icon appear right at the cut point, indicating that it's been successfully added. Adding the transition is just the start. To make sure it fits perfectly with your video's pacing, you'll want to adjust its duration and style. This is done in the inspector panel, which is usually located on the right side of your screen. If it's not visible, you can easily open it by clicking on the inspector button at the top right. Here, you can tweak the transition duration by entering a specific time or dragging the edges of the transition in the timeline. You can also adjust the style settings to refine how the transition looks and feels. This could involve changing the direction of a wipe, altering the softness of a dissolve, or even adjusting the zoom intensity. And there you have it. Those are the simple steps to add and customize transitions in DaVinci Resolve. Remember, transitions are not just about moving from one scene to another. They're a storytelling tool. They help guide your audience's emotions and maintain the flow of your narrative. Play around with different types and settings to see what works best for your video project. With a bit of practice, you'll be able to create smooth, professional transitions that enhance your storytelling. Thanks for watching and happy editing.